guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul. It's been a little while, I guess maybe not that long. I did do a Sephora one a little while back, but either way, I hopped on the Beauty Bay website, picked up some makeup, some skincare, some things I've really been interested to try, and some brands I've never tried before. As always, if you're curious about this look, I just filmed a couple of Instagram reels that'll be showing up on Instagram over the next couple of days, so I'll have the first one linked down below, and as always, I'll have everything that I'm wearing listed and linked in the description box. But now let's go ahead and get into what I bought. Let's get started. So the primary reason for me hopping on the Beauty Bay website was this guy. I've actually purchased from Beauty Bay, I think when I lived in Newfoundland. It's a website that I've shopped from on and off over the years. But this is the Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2%. This is always what's recommended to me anytime I say that I enjoy this combination of acids. But Health Canada says, hell no. So Beauty Bay says, actually, we'll ship it to you. Hopefully this doesn't get them in trouble. This is their peeling solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. I was put onto this, the ability to get it from Beauty Bay, from Amanda Glowgetter. She's a bud of mine who lives in Ottawa. She's a blogger. She's fabulous. I'll link her down below. She's got a little gig with HGTV actually, which is super cool. Congratulations. But back to this. I'm really excited to try it. I really love this combination of acids. It's supposed to be good with helping the texture of your skin, with dark spots, with discoloration, getting into the sebum glands because it's got a BHA in there, and it's a great price. This was $11. I'll give you the lowdown on all the shipping. My total order was $289. I paid $69 in customs. I got an email. At least I was able to pay it online and I didn't have to go down into my lobby. That being said, if this wasn't my job, would I have accepted $70 of customs? I don't know. I can't really say for sure, and it's going to vary person to person. It's going to vary based on how much you get, what you get, where you live. So it's really hard to say, but just as a heads up, I did get hit with customs, but it did ship fairly quickly. So thanks, I guess, but really excited to try this. I'm filming this on the day I'm uploading, so it's a Sunday night. I'm going to try this peel tonight and I'll report back. Some of the other skincare that I was interested in getting was trying some stuff from this brand. I've actually never heard it pronounced. I don't know if it's Cosrx or whatever. Somebody will, I'm sure, correct me in the description box, but this is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, and this is 96% snail mucin. Filtrate. It's an essence that helps the skin to lose less moisture while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. I've been using this right after washing my face day and night. I've actually been using it to kind of refresh my skin too in the middle of the day, or sometimes if I wake up in the middle of the night, I'll literally put this on my face. But I did just start using it. I've heard amazing things about snails for skin, and because this is such literally 96%, I watched a video of how they get it out of the snails, and I mean, it's TBD on whether or not we feel that is okay for the snails, but they get to live through the process, which I didn't expect. Anyways, I don't even want to get into that when I'm thinking about putting snail juice on my face, but it's supposed to be amazing. So we'll see. Feels really good. Doesn't feel it just feels like a serum. But if you're grossed out by it, I fully understand. And then this is the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. This is an SPF 50. And I was a little worried about this when I first got it, that it would have a really strong white cast, but it actually works for me. The Snail Mucin was $35, and then this was $32. So far so good. Feel really good about it. Feels nice, feels hydrating, and I've heard amazing things about this brand. But that being said, they are selling this stuff now, I think, at most Walmarts. They've started selling some K-Beauty, which is cool. I saw somebody that, I can't remember who, but they posted it on Instagram, and I'd seen the sheet masks and stuff, but I hadn't seen the snail stuff. So if you're looking to pick it up in Canada, maybe check out a local Walmart. Then I got a couple of items from XX Revolution. I can't tell, this is Revolution Beauty, then they have XX Revolution. I think Makeup Revolution has at least 4 brands under their brand. I feel like I'm always confused about is this Makeup Revolution or all UK brands just saying it's calling things Revolution? I'm confused. Either way, I picked up this blush. It's in the shade Retro. Come on, it's a straight up orange. I don't know if you noticed, but I tried something different with my blush today. I was watching a TikTok yesterday, and she was showing blush application and how it really changes the shape of your face, but I was shocked at how much it actually changed the shape of your face. Like, she put it a little lower for volume, she put it up higher for like better cheekbone definition, which is what I did. But I ended up kind of bringing it onto my apples, which again gives the fullness, but I put it up a little bit higher and I think I like it. And I really thought this blush was beautiful. This one is in the shade Retro, and it was $11.75, so amazing deal. I guess if you want to talk about the price, you could just divide $70 by however many products I got and just add a couple bucks to everything. But that's what the blush looks like, really beautiful. And then this is the Haze, I think these are called their cloud highlighters. I haven't tried this yet. That's what it looks like, really beautiful. Oh, it almost feels like, okay, this is something that I'll have to use very sparingly. This is going to be more of a cream eyeshadow. I think I just swiped it on my, this is the most intensity, a little bit less, and a little bit less. Even still, I don't think I'm going to want that on my face because it's straight up glitter, but it's really pretty. But I wouldn't have bought it if I knew it was like that. And that was also $11.75. Speaking of Makeup Revolution, they launched some skincare and I thought I'd pick this up. It's Revolution Skincare London SPF 30, and it is a vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free moisturizer for normal to oily skin with SPF 30. I'm like, ding, 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 and affordable. It's hitting all the marks here. $14.50. So let's see the texture. I haven't tried this yet. It's the top of it there. Doesn't look like a gel cream, but oh, perfect. Look at that. Great. That's awesome. I haven't, like I said, I haven't tried it yet, like on my face, but that texture feels really good. It reminds me of like just a classic moisturizer, a little bit lighter, but we'll see. Better skincare, better makeup, and you're getting a decent amount in here, 1.69 fluid ounces. Nice packaging too. Now let's get to what's on my face. I've been really, really curious about this brand, and I noticed that they had launched kind of like a tinted moisturizer product, so I was like, perfect time to try, because I just honestly had no interest in trying to match myself to their foundation. It's just so hard online sometimes. So I just have bought so many foundations that were the wrong shade. So this is the Nabla Skin Realist. This is the beautifying tinted balm with hyaluronic acid microspheres. 1.6 fluid ounces in here, and this was $38. I got mine in the shade 4 medium tan. I could have maybe went a shade up just because I'm actually tan now and I kind of forgot that it's summer. But it comes in 7 different shades, which isn't a ton, but it's very light coverage. It's a hydrating skin tint. So I definitely want to review this. So far so good. I really like the way that it looks. Then I also picked up a bronzer and a highlighter. So this is the Skin Bronzing Sun-Kissed Effect Powder Bronzer in Dune. Like, they cater to deeper skin tones at the very least. I believe they are. But I really, really like this bronzer so far, and this highlighter. I wasn't sure about what highlighters to pick out, because one of the highlighters, some of them looked really, really light, and then some of them looked like they were much better for deeper skin. And then when I opened this up in the packaging, I was like, oh, I think it's going to be too light. But then when I put it on my skin, it is phenomenal. So beautiful. I also love on the Beauty Bay website, they say haul details instead of order. Like, get with the times, you know, it's a haul. It's a haul. We've decided it's a haul. $29.25. I think that that's cool when brands like jump on it and realize it for what it is. You know, most people that shop from Beauty Bay are the type of people who are in the know in the beauty community for the most part, I think. So I think that the word haul would resonate with them, and it's just kind of cute and fun to see. Then I also picked up this lip liner, and it's nice, but I probably, again, would have gone one shade deeper. This is in the shade Nude 5. I'm always, always, always hunting for rosy brown lip liners. It's my life goal to continue and collect them all like Pokemon cards, but I probably would have went a little deeper on this one. It's a really nice brown, doesn't have a lot of burgundy in it, but just a little deeper would have added a little bit more contrast and contour to my lips, but feels like a really nice kind of formula, and this was $14.50. Oh, and on my eyes, I picked up this eyeshadow palette. I could not resist. It's the Beauty Bay House brand. I got it for $20.20. It was on, yikes. I got it, I think it was 40% off or something. And I'm not sure. It's beautiful to look at. I did my eyes with it today. I would say it's definitely not up there in the same quality as like a NYX colored eyeshadow or a ColourPop. From what I can tell, I've only used the pink and yellow so far. But it also isn't bad, and I love the color selection in here in the sense that like I can see myself reaching for this if I'm like out, like you know how during Get Ready With Me week, for example, I did a purple look on Friday. I would have loved to have these like at my disposal to use with like a purple cream eyeshadow or something. Like it's a good supplementary palette perhaps, especially for $20 and colorful and matte. So we'll see. It's not the best ever, but it's also not a big time dud, and I like how nice and sleek it is, and there's a good big mirror in here too. I picked up the Jack Black lip gloss or lip balm during the Sephora sale, and I actually bought on a whim. I was like, let me buy 2. Summer's coming, my lips are dry, I want to have an SPF in a lip balm. Everyone's like, Jack Black, it's the best. I got it, and I don't know if it's the one that I got or whatever, but it's white tea and something flavored, maybe blackberry. And you can just taste it. I hate the texture. I hate how it's like, something about it. I don't know, it just gets in my mouth and like coats my whole mouth with the flavor. Anyways, didn't like that, and now I have 2 of them. So I picked up the Aesop Protective Lip Balm, and it's SPF 30. This is, oh, I forgot I was wearing lipstick. This is like, it kind of feels like remember when sunscreen was only ever bad? Like it was all really white, really thick, really just not good. I feel like SPF lip balm hasn't caught up yet, because this is better, but it's still not great, but I'll use it. But I think it's just a case of like putting SPF in a lip balm is really going to change its consistency, and they haven't figured out necessarily how to keep it feeling like a lip balm and not like, ugh, just so thick. So then I've really fallen in love with Isle of Paradise products. I used their serum as a self-tanner, and then I just picked up their spray. So then I figured I would pick up, Beauty Bay had a couple of different options in terms of their products. I think they're actually a British brand, yeah, made in the UK. So I think maybe that's why they have some different options that I hadn't seen here in Canada, and some nice kind of kits actually if you're looking to purchase from Isle of Paradise. But it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. This is their self-tanning butter with color correcting actives to even skin tone. Hello Golden Glow. So this one didn't seem to come in the light, medium, dark like their other products, but I thought I would try it. I have the Jergens. It's for medium to tan or whatever they say it is. It doesn't really tan me that much. I have to use it a lot because I'm darker than what I think the moisturizer is intended to give to somebody over a couple of days. Does that sentence, are we following? So I figured I would try this anyways. It seemed nice. I'm getting a bunch of color now. I forgot summer was actually going to come. For some reason it was like, the sun will never come out, the summer will never actually be here. I don't know why I was buying a bunch of self-tanning products, but either way, the sun is here, but I will continue to use this to maintain because SPF is important. So that's everything that I picked up from Beauty Bay. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Now that I've, purchased something, I'm ready to keep purchasing. So if there's any websites you'd like me to shop from, by all means, let me know, and I'm happy to do that for you. It's just for you. It's nothing to do with me. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!